A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for northeastern Collin and northwestern Hunt counties. At 7:32 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles north of Farmersville, or 17 miles east of McKinney, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Radar was tracking debris up to 2 miles above the ground between Blue Ridge and Farmersville. This is likely a large and extremely dangerous tornado. If you are in its path, take cover immediately to protect your life. The tornado will be near Celeste around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Blue Ridge and Westminster. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. The tornado